Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna and today I'm going to show you guys how I make keto protein chocolate no bake bites. Super yummy, super easy, and I cannot wait to show you guys how I make it. I'm currently camping right now, so we're trying to avoid using anything hot. It's so hot right now. I live in Victoria, BC, and right now we're just going through a major heat wave. It's gonna be like 44 degrees today. It's gonna feel like 50, and that's pretty damn hot for Victoria. And so we're trying to keep it easy, shady, and all of that great stuff. So let me show you guys how I make this. So what you're gonna need is some chia seeds, some cocoa powder, some cinnamon, some almond butter or peanut butter. I'm just using this all peanuts natural. Some shredded coconut. I've got two kinds. I've got this one and I've got this one as well. Some hemp hearts. Some sugar-free syrup. And optional, some Lily's chocolate chips. So what you're going to want to do is grab your hemp hearts and get yourself about half a cup of hemp hearts. One, two, three, 4 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, teaspoon of cinnamon, about half a cup of almond butter, peanut butter, whatever you guys have on hand. And I would say about a quarter cup to half a cup of shredded coconut. Any kind is fine. I'm just using this kind here. I'm just doing it by eye since I do not have another measuring spoon. Depends if you guys like coconut. That should be fine. Stir that on in. Let's add a little bit more coconut. Add a little bit of syrup, so about, let's say, 2 to 3 tablespoons of syrup. Stir that on in. Let's add in some chocolate chips. I'm doing about that much. So you want to get it to a consistency that you can roll. If you still find it a little too dry, just add a little bit of water. And if you find it's too wet, then add a little bit more coconut in there if you like. It's easy if you have an ice cream scoop, but being that I do not have one on hand, we're gonna just scoop this by hand. And all you're gonna do is grab a little piece there and you're going to roll it up like so. I'm gonna grab a little piece of parchment paper here. We're gonna place it in our bowl. Now you can leave it either like that, or you could put some coconut, so I'm just using the freshly fine one, in another bowl. And I'll show you what you could do here. Just roll it up, throw it on in. Have yourself a nice little bowl. So you just want to roll them, throw it in, roll it around. This is a great snack, healthy. Get your healthy fats in, along with some nutritious seeds as well, fiber, all of that good stuff. You can make these balls as big as you like, as small as you like, whatever you guys like. So there you have it, guys. Some keto chocolate peanut butter coconut balls. Yummy, give it a try, super easy. Yum.